Hello everybody, welcome again. We're still here at the 65-meter high Chepkui Waterfalls. The water is the Sipi River, coming from the Sipi River. So this is our second spot. The first one was Susurwet and it was 85 meters, and now we are here at 65 meters height. And look at the massive waterfalls. And the good thing here is we have enough space for us to walk around and explore, and there are small items as well here. So yeah, beautiful guys. This is a very nice adventure vlog for me, and though yeah, for me it's amazing, so you should come.